Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Start by going into Settings and tapping on Connections right away. Then tap on More Connection Settings at the bottom and select Printing. Now you can click on the Footprint service right away and wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to download a different service, click on blue sweater at the top. Go back and select Download plugin. Then install the best service for you, and when it's ready, go back to the same settings. Now just click on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!